Hi guys, so today we're going to transform the silk flowers that I found at the Dollar Tree. We're going to make them fuller and natural looking. Alright, so let's get started. So we're going to remove 2 of the flower heads from the flower bouquet. Then we're going to remove this green part at the bottom of the flower head. Now that we removed the 2 green parts at the bottom, we're going to start removing the petals. And we're also going to remove this little white cap that's at the bottom. And also this little green stem that's right in the middle, we're removing that on one of them. And we're going to start placing the petals from smallest to largest. So right now we have 2 sets of petals here. We're going to put one more. Right after this 3rd petal set, we are going to put back that white little cap on. And when you're putting the cap on, just put some pressure so that it holds the petals in. And there we go. So now we are gonna put in the medium-sized petals, and then we will add the large petals. And just remember not to line the petals up. Try to mix them around, try to move them around, see how it looks more natural, more real. And then right after, we're gonna put the green piece back on, and you can play around with the flower. Just you can still move the petals around and try to make it nice and fluffy and not so lined up. And there you go. Here's a fuller flower that we just created, and this is the Dollar Tree flower that has not been touched yet. As you can see, there's some fringes and little threads that we have to remove just to make the flower look more natural. And these little holes, I noticed that there's holes on the petals of the Dollar Tree flowers. Not sure why, but let's remove that. So let's cut it off. And again, I'm just moving the petals because I want it to really look natural. And look at that. So beautiful. Yay! So there you have it. A full bouquet, fuller and natural looking. Big difference, huh? I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. If you have any questions or concerns, please comment. I love to answer comments. Well, on to the next video.